Hello gig workers, welcome to the channel. If you're not a gig workers, join the team because you want to make lots of money. So today I'll be working Uber Eats from 11:15 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. Come along for the ride. Hit the subscribe button down below if you want to watch more videos like this. Stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown with the tips, how much I make per hour, and a conclusion of my 2 hours. So all that said, let's make some money! So time is 11:15. DoorDash running, Uber Eats running. So it's a Friday before the long Labor Day weekend, and it's the last long weekend for summer. So lots of people heading out the city for camping, fishing. They all work half a day on Friday, so they're going home at 12. And I'm working the lunch hour at 12, so I don't know if it's gonna be busy or not. If they're going home, nobody's gonna buy food, right? Everybody's going home, it's gonna have lunch at home. So let's see, it's 5 minutes gone, 11:20. Come on, DoorDash and Uber Eats. Come on, come on. There's a guy sitting right beside me there. Oh, did you get an order? What the heck? DoorDash, 12 kilometers, $13. Yeah, I passed on that one because I have to come back to my zone. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $5.12. Pick up the pizza. Customer is 6 minutes away, 3.5 kilometers, and it's an apartment building. So arrive at customer location. It says leave it on the white shelf. Okay, white shelf. I don't know where's the white shelf. I have to look for that. So the customer came to the main floor. That was nice. So I just handed her. So when I was on my way to deliver that, Uber sent me another order. It was $7 and change. So this would pay $5.12. So let's go pick up the other orders from 7-Eleven on Portage, 6 minutes away. So arrive at the 7-Eleven. I have to pick up a bucket of wings, gummy bear, large Slurpees, Ben & Jerry ice cream. Pick up the order from 7-Eleven. Customer is 4 minutes away, 1.9 kilometers. She lived in a house. Delivered that order, $7.17, and the time is 12:17. Not a good first hour at all. $12.29 first hour. Woo. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $3.65, 2 kilometers. I'll accept that. It's so slow. I'm just gonna accept the $3. There's not much going on. I hope I get a good tip on that $3 offer. So I pick up the order from Subway. Customer is 3 minutes away. 3 minutes to 1.2 kilometers. So I have another order from Uber, $4.38, 2.7 kilometers. Uber, cheap ass Uber, sending all this $3, $4. I hope these customer tip because it's not worth your time to pick up these $3, $4. So deliver the order, so we have to go to Popeyes to pick up the other order from Uber Eats. Pick up that 8-piece spicy chicken. Customer is 3 minutes away, 1.9 kilometers. So DoorDash sent me one, $11, 6.1 kilometers. I'll accept that one. Let's go drop off this Uber one first, and then we'll go pick that up. $4.39. Woohoo! Big money! Okay, so let's go pick up DoorDash order. Restaurant is 4 minutes away. I have an add-on for DoorDash, $7, 12 kilometers. So you want me to drive another 12 kilometers for $7? So what's wrong with you? Are you cuckoo dooku? You going cuckoo? Distance too far. So pick up that order from Burrito Splendido. Customer is 11 minutes away. Smiley face all around. That was a good order anyway. Mileage, wage, tips. Base pay $6, customer tip $5. Thank you, customer. So the time is 1:20. So I'm just gonna finish my shift now, just a 2-hour shift. I started from 11:15 and it's to 1:20. So a few more tips have to come in with Uber Eats. Right now I'm at $23 with Uber Eats and $11 with DoorDash. It's a horrible Friday. Not good. Hopefully some good tips comes in. Finger crossed. I really had to take those $3 from Uber Eats and $4. Normally I refuse them. So because we're so slow, I had to take those. Wasn't far drive, but if the customer doesn't tip, then the $3 you got paid $3. Doesn't worth your time to take those $3. When it is slow, you have to bite the bullet. Alright, so stay tuned for the summary. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. We'll start with DoorDash. $11. Base pay $6. Customer tip $5. And I had 4 order with Uber Eats. Start from the bottom one here. $5.12. Customer didn't tip. $10.17. $3 tip. $5.65. $2 tip. $5.39. Customer tip $1. So between Uber Eats and DoorDash, the total was $37.33 minus $4 for gas. Give you the total of $33.33 divided by 2 hours. Give you $16.66 per hour. So it was a slow Friday lunch hours. Normally I make more like $18 to $20 an hour. Just I was saying earlier in the video, because it was a long weekend. So I had to take those $3 and $4. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. See you in the next video.